What's up, guys? It's gonna be a shorter day today, or video. I gotta go somewhere in like 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna film this real quick. But we took 2 trades today. Um, so we took this first one after we swept these highs up here. We broke structure to the downside. Um, Problem with this trade is we didn't inverse anything. That's the reason I got stopped out. So we came down, and then we broke structure to the upside, and then inverse that fair value gap stopped me out right away. Stupid trade by me, not on my rules, but over here, this was the trade I was looking for originally. I wanted to sweep these highs up here. So then we broke structure to the downside, inversing this fair value gap, hitting equilibrium. I entered on equilibrium, and then we kind of got stuck in this chop for a bit. But then we broke down, and I had a take profit here, and then a take profit here. We hit both those take profits, and then the last, it was 3 contracts. I entered light into this trade. I wish I entered a little heavier, but I entered light because of I already lost today. This put me down $100 today, and so this put me up 65. But yeah, we had to take profit here, and then we had one. I think I literally placed it right here, so we got it tapped us right here. But yeah, just to make a little more money on the day, that's the only reason I did it. Even if I did it completely break even, I still would have played out the same way. But yeah, no, we made 65 today. We were originally down 100 after this first trade, but great way to bounce back. But yeah, no, I'm trying to figure out my take profits. I really wanted to target these lows down here with this fair value gap, and that's why I had these targets, but it looked like we really only got down to these lows. We swept these lows, and then we swept them and then shot back up like I would have predicted. See, I can already see it from here. We sweep them, break structure to the upside, come back, we tap equilibrium right here, boom. But yeah, $64 on the day. Great day. I honestly shouldn't have even took this first trade. That was me being impatient. Even with this terrible price action, I don't know why I entered. So I was actually filming the trade recap because I thought I was done after this trade. And then after I was done filming that, I was going to post. Some of you guys might saw it. I posted for like 20 seconds. I looked at the charts and saw this setup. Had to enter. And then I ended up going to a movie. That's why this is so late. But yeah, no. Great day. Ended the week off with the win. Yeah. I'm pumped for next week. We shouldn't have as much red news as we did this week. Should be a much cleaner week. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend. And I will see you guys on Monday.